Snipe is something that may come up with your machine and may need to be adjusted. Snipe is the removal of the material 2 1/4 inches in from each end, either the leading edge or the trailing edge of the material, where it's removed more material off of the end than it does out of the center. Snipe is caused by one of two different things, either too much contact or too much pressure with your tension rollers before and after the drum, or a combination thereof. To adjust for overall tension of the tension rollers, there are 4 spring-loaded screws that you can reach with a Phillips head screwdriver from up top. For overall height or contact of your tension rollers, that is done from underneath with a small Allen screw. If you take your cell phone camera, turn it over to a selfie, you can see the mounting screw here, your adjustment screw for overall height there, and then your spring-loaded screw here. I'll show you here. I've got an assembly that's out of the machine. Here's your hard mount plate. You had the large Allen screw here and here. Your spring-loaded screws hold tension on your material as it runs through the machine. Those screws should be showing about 2 to 3 threads below the hard mount plate. If they're tighter than that, that would cause snipe on the material going in and or out of the machine. Overall height of those rollers is adjusted again with these Allen screws, these little Allen screws here next to your spring-loaded screw. Ideally, you'd want your tension rollers to be 3/32 of an inch below the bare drum. If they are not 3/32 of an inch below the drum, you adjust the little Allen screws up or down as needed, and that will change the overall height of your tension roller. You have 4 adjustments per tension roller set, 1 at each end of each roller. Now, if you're getting snipe on the leading edge of the material, that is going to be the fault or cause of your outfeed tension roller. If you're getting snipe on the trailing edge of your material, your infeed tension roller must be adjusted. If you're only getting snipe on one end or the other, you only adjust the one roller. If you're getting snipe on both ends of your material, leading and trailing edge, you may need to adjust both rollers.